Hello everyone! Today we are going to learn about how to make inferences in a story. Remember to click the follow button to get updates about new videos. Let's get to it. In this video, we will learn about what an inference is, and then we will try out an example provided by Literacy and Math Ideas. Making an inference about a text is like making a big guess about what is happening in the story based on the details that you have read in the past. Think of yourself as a detective when you read a story. When you make an inference, you are like a super sleuth, figuring out things that the author doesn't exactly tell you in the story. It's like putting on your detective hat and using clues from the words and pictures to guess what might happen next or understand things that are not clearly said. For example, if the author describes a character who's slumped over with her head down and tears in her eyes, you can make an inference that this character is sad. Now, the author did not exactly say that the character was sad, but we were able to guess or infer it based on the details that the author described. Great! Now it's time for us to try an example. This example comes from a Literacy and Math Ideas product titled Differentiated Leveled Inference Task Cards, Clip Cards, and Centers. This product makes learning inference both fun and easy. This product also allows for students to learn inference in a variety of ways, like using clothespins on the provided cards to review inference or learning inference with traditional task cards. The link to the full product can be found in the description of this video. Neil did not like to do any work. He wanted to do his homework later. When later came, he still would not do it. When it was time to clean his bedroom, he would not clean it. What word best describes Neil? Explain how you figured out your answer. Is it A, creative, B, mean, C, lazy, or D, rude? Pause the video now to answer with your class. We can use what we just learned about inference to solve this example. In the passage, we can see that Neil did not like to do any work. Neil had many chores to do, but even after waiting a long time, Neil still did not get to do any of his chores. If someone does not like to do their work, we can often describe them as lazy. Therefore, C is a correct answer, and our reasoning for finding C also works as an explanation for finding our answer. To learn more about inference in reading, check out this product by Literacy and Math Ideas titled Differentiated Leveled Inference Task Cards, Clip Cards, and Centers. The link to the full product can be found in the description of this video.